Hi guys, this one's supposed to be another drone model, flat drone. Okay, we'll have a look at that. It's a little bit small and delicate. We'll do our best. I think I may have fat fingers for this. It's going to be a challenge just to work with something this small. It's another one of those ones I could probably have printed double size and made life easier for myself. Oh. I guess we're going to have to speed this up in editing, aren't we? Right then. That's the bottom piece. So which is best to go first, bottom or top? Oh, and we also need these to be the right way round. That's the legs. Those are the feet. You'll see what I mean eventually. So I would say those are the ones that have got going there. Can we do it? No, we're going to have to do both top and bottom at the same time, or it's not going to fit together. Oh, this is going to be a pain. This is one of those ones where I could have done with the little thin tube that goes on the glue. Makes it easier to be accurate with it. Not getting any out at all there. Do with some kicker to make it go off quickly. This is when you start to realise your eyesight's not up to it when you're getting old. Oh dear me. Start again. Is there some way of actually holding them? I end up gluing my fingers. Come on, we want that top one in there, and that one in there. It's funny, you watch so many videos, they just put the super glue on there, touch them together, and that's it, it works. I wonder how they do that. Well, I know how they do that. It's the magic of editing. Well, I struggled with that one. Took me nearly half an hour to put it together. For such a tiny little kit. So I will have speeded up the build in editing, fast forwarded it. It does look nice now it's finished. But that was hard work. It's too small for me. My fingers are too big.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.